So let's take a look at the future of computing. Now, for a long time, there's been a law called Moore's Law that says if you just wait 2 years for the same amount of money, you'll be able to buy a computer that's twice as fast and has twice as much storage as the computer you could buy today. So maybe to solve any sort of computational problem, you just need to wait for Moore's Law to make things faster.
Well, yes and no. It's true that Moore's Law has worked beautifully and we keep getting better computers. Unfortunately, our ambition keeps growing as well. The size of our data sets, the kind of calculations we want to do are growing also at a very similar rate. So we're always staying just one step ahead. The other thing is there are some things which don't go with Moore's Law. So historically, for instance, the overhead time on a hard drive, the so-called seek time, has only changed by a factor of a few over 20 years.
Okay, but my own laptop has got a solid state drive in it that is much faster than a spinning hard drive, so surely that's a solved problem.
Yeah, true, they are fantastic, but the trouble for us is that they're still very expensive. Per unit, per byte of storage, they're about 5 times the price. So that's fine in your laptop if you've got a fairly fancy laptop, right? But for having hundreds of drives in a data center, a scientific data center, we just can't afford it. But hopefully that will change.
Mm-hmm. And is Moore's Law going to go on forever? What do you think?
Well, that's a controversial subject. Yeah, so people have been predicting the end of Moore's Law through physical limits or economics for years, and we haven't seen it happen yet. But who knows?
Maybe it's something you guys can discuss on the forum.
Indeed.
So next week, the mysteries of the accelerating universe and the spectroscopy technology that allows that to happen. So see you next week.
See you then.